Are you ready to discover the meaning of the Magician Tarot card? Well, in this video, I reveal exactly what this card means in any tarot reading, whether it's love, career, finance, spirituality, or just a simple general reading. Plus, I'm going to show you how to interpret this card when it's upright or reversed. So that way you are never going to get stuck on this card in a reading again. So let's dive in. Now, the Magician represents manifestation, resourcefulness, inner power, and inspired action. And the Magician card is actually numbered 1, which is the number of new beginnings and opportunities. It's also associated with the planet of Mercury. Now, he stands with one arm stretched upwards, pointing towards the universe, and the other is pointing down to the earth. And this positioning represents his connection between the spiritual realms and the material realms. And he uses this relationship to create and manifest his goals in the physical realm. So he's really like that conduit that converts energy into matter. Now, on the table in front of him are the 4 symbols of the tarot suits. It's a cup, a pentacle, a sword, and a wand. And each of these symbolizes the 4 elements of water, earth, air, and fire. Now, it's also a sign that he has all the tools and the elements that he needs to manifest his intentions into being. Now, above his head is an infinity symbol, and then around his waist is a snake that is biting its own tail. And both of these really signal that he has access to unlimited potential. Then in the foreground, there's an array of foliage and flowers, and this all symbolizes the blossoming and fruition of his ideas and his aspirations. So as a master manifester, the Magician brings you the tools, the resources, and the energy to really make your dreams come true. And seriously, like everything that you need right now is at your fingertips. You have the spiritual, fire, physical, earth, mental, air, and emotional water resources that you can use to manifest your desires. And then when you combine them with the energy of the spiritual and the earthly realms, you will become a manifestation powerhouse. The key is to bring these tools together synergistically so that the impact of what you create is greater than the separate parts. And this is alchemy at its best. So now is the perfect time to really move forward on any idea that you have recently conceived of, because the seed of potential has sprouted and you're really being called to take action and bring your intention into fruition. So all the skills, the knowledge, the capabilities that you've gathered along your life path have led you to where you are now. And whether you know it or not, you are ready to turn your ideas into reality. So in this quest to manifest your goals, you've got to establish a clear vision of what you're going to create and why before you act, because it's not enough to be motivated by ego like money, status, or fame. You have to have a soul connection to your goals and intentions. Because here's the thing, you're this powerful, creative being, and this is your opportunity to bring your higher self in alignment with your day-to-day actions to create the future that you desire most. And when you're really clear about your what and your why, the Magician calls on you to take inspired action. And you need that focused attention and intense concentration to really bring your goals to fruition. So focus on the one thing that's going to move you towards your goal. Now, commitment to the task is essential, so drop any distractions that might draw your focus away from what you want to achieve, and just be really methodical in your planning to make sure that you stay on track and you carry out your tasks. Now, when it comes to relationships and love, the Magician reflects that you're focused on making the most out of your relationships and improving them wherever necessary. And you're really keen to apply your knowledge and your skills, probably from earlier relationships to your current relationships, to make them work. And you're also coming from a more pragmatic way of thinking, and you're going to do whatever it takes to make the relationship a success. Now, this is also the perfect chance to share your goals and talk about why they're important to you with your partner, because together you can manifest your dreams using your collective resources. Now, if you're looking for love, the Magician advises you to look at all the tools and resources available to you right now to help you in your journey. So for example, you might consider internet dating and drawing upon your network of friends, or starting a new hobby so you can meet someone. This is about keeping an optimistic and can-do attitude in order to get what you want. Now, when it comes to career, work, and finances, the Magician shows you that you're really in your element and you're likely to be a top performer in your role because you're masterful at what you do. You can draw upon all of your tools, resources, networks, and your personal knowledge to get the job done. Now, this card also suggests that you're successfully applying your skills and you're feeling engaged and energized. And your current job is likely to be a perfect match for all of your talents. Now, the Magician in a financial reading shows financial competence and this opportunity to manifest more financial abundance by strategically employing your resources, maybe through a side hustle or some more conservative investments. Now, if you see the Magician in a spiritual reading, then you might actually feel drawn to concepts like the law of attraction and other manifestation mindsets, because the Magician really sees you connecting with universal knowledge and power and applying that to your material world. And you're really keen to create this link between spirit, mind, and body in a more balanced and harmonized way. Now, what if you're seeing the Magician reversed in your tarot reading? Well, on one level, the reverse Magician shows you that you're exploring what you wish to manifest, but maybe you're not taking action just yet. Maybe you're a bit uncertain if you've got what you need or if you know actually how to make it happen. So if you take care of what you intend to manifest, the universe will work out the how. So just stay attuned to your intuition and pay attention to opportunities as they come up, because these are like little breadcrumbs that are going to take you closer to your goal. Now, if you're already acting on your goal, the reversed Magician can be a sign that you're actually struggling to see progress or success. And several factors might be at play. Maybe you've got an idea, but you don't know how to manifest it. Maybe you're not really clear on your desired outcome, so your efforts become a bit misdirected or unfocused. Maybe you lost touch with your why, or it just wasn't compelling enough, and now you don't have the motivation in completing the goal. Maybe your end goal is actually out of alignment with your highest good, and the universe is sending you a big stop, go back sign. Now, at its worst, the reversed Magician can signify greed, manipulation, and trickery, because you might be masterful at manifesting, but if you are out of touch with your higher self, you may only do it for your personal gain and at the expense of others. So sometimes you might even fall into this trap unintentionally. So if your goals are not coming to fruition or something feels a bit off, tune into that and ask yourself if you're really working for your highest good or only for your own benefit. Now, if you want to learn more about the tarot cards, then I've got something really special for you. It is my tarot card meanings reference guide. It is absolutely free. All you need to do is click on the link below. You'll get instant access, and that way you will never go blank in a reading again. And if you want to learn more about how to read tarot in a more modern, more approachable way, there is so much more for you to explore here at Biddy Tarot. We've helped millions of people around the world develop their tarot skills, and we cannot wait to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.